My name's Tommy Ivo, or known as TV Tommy Ivo in drag racing. I've been asked by people so much about my four-motor car that I owned about 20 years ago because a lot of them haven't had a chance to see it. And we're restoring it right now to put it in the museum. And before I stick it in the museum, I think I'm going to take it around the circuit and let the people see it that haven't had a chance to see it. It was probably the most famous car I ever built because of the unique fact that it was the only car with 4 engines in it.
Tommy, we love you. You're the best, baby.
It was the end of an era for one of drag racing's greats of Englishtown with the final appearance of TV Tommy Ivo's wild 4-engine Buick funny car. Ivo is on his final tour of duty and has decided to retire his helmet as of the World Finals. This being the final stop in Englishtown, it was only fitting to see the wildest race car of them all, the 4-engine Buick Wagon, end an era in the history books for TV Tom at Raceway Park.